Job of the day. We are back at SNK. I need to get some steel for a dump trailer repair. It's that dump trailer I did the hinges on the back. I got new pins for it, but he also had a frame that's broken for his ramps that are holding those ramps in, so I'm gonna weld that up. And we're back at the dump trailer. I got a pin for this side and a pin for that side. He's got some main frames that hold the ramps in, hit the cross members on this trailer, and it broke that 5-inch piece of channel, so I'm gonna weld that back together. The steel is starting to separate, so I'll just weld that back together. But let's get to it. And here's the posts that I'm gonna shove onto the frame. I'm gonna lift this trailer up, shove onto the frame, and then it'll lock the trailer in so it won't fall on me while I'm underneath it. Safety brackets are finished up. I need to cut some 1x2 for these pins. I'm gonna cut all this up, clean it, and then use the 1x2 to space out the pin to go into the slot. I need to cut 1x2 by roughly 1.5 marked out. Let's get it cut. I got one mocked up. I just need to weld it on the trailer. I'm gonna do the other side. Roughly right there is good. I'm gonna go 1.5 on this side too. Yeah, we'll go 1.5 on this side. 1.5, perfect. Let's get them welded onto the back of the trailer. Doors are painted, everything's done. Let's do the mainframe. And let's go up. Good, safety bars are in. I can get underneath there and weld on everything. And all the welds are broken on this. It looks like it's just hitting the frame. Is what it is. He hauls a lot of weight. Let's clean this up and then I can push it up. All right, all connections are cleaned up. I need to weld tabs on every single one of the broken welds. 16 tabs. Let's get them cut out. All tabs are cleaned up. I'm gonna clamp it and then start welding everything out. Oh, I gotta clean up this side though. All tabs fit. I'm gonna start clamping everything up and welding it out. Ramp storage is all welded back up, all tabs are on, it's all painted. I did see these hinges are blown out. I can see the top of the hole. Quote out for doing new hinges for them. And then I'm gonna put some, when I do it, I'm gonna put some spacers. Do like 1/4-inch spacers right here and then all the way down. That way it'll keep those ramps from hitting the main frame again, because that's why it broke. The hinges themselves ovaled out, went down, hit the main frame. The other side's also ovaled out. So new hinges, but at least you can use it now without his ramps jumping around. I'm gonna go up, take our safeties out. One safety is out. Both safeties are out. And I need to fix the spare tire mount. There's a little bit of a gap now. The backside's off as well. Cool. All right, they're not hitting the mainframe as hard as they were. Let's get this spare tire mount fixed up. Cracked all the way down the side, so I'm just gonna weld that back together. Take this tire off. This trailer's done. I fixed up the weld on the spare tire mount. I welded the inside, sanded it down, and then welded the top here so everything will stay secure. Put 4 new lug nuts on there. Let's do the rundown on this. New door holders on the back. Ramps are all welded back onto the main frame. They're not flopping around anymore. And I fixed the broken sheet metal on the spare tire mount, behind the spare tire mount. This job's done. I'm on the next.